Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss steps. Steps and methods of gua sha. There are mainly three steps, that is, choose the body position, choose the scraping areas, and operation. However, before and after the scraping, some preparation and follow-up work are needed. For example, the interior environment should be adjusted before the scraping. After the scraping, the patient should drink an appropriate amount of water and pay attention to keeping warm. Concrete methods for scraping also involve many aspects, such as the timing, the extent of force, and the speed, as well as skills by hand. Choose an appropriate place. Before scraping, a suitable environment should be chosen, with an interior environment of fresh air and moderate temperature being the best. The room temperature had better be above 18. When the temperature is too high, the patient should not be exposed to direct cold wind from the air conditioner or the electric fan. Choose a comfortable body position. A suitable body position can relax yourself and your muscles, leading to better effects of scraping and the reduction of pain in the course of scraping. The scraper should decide to choose a suitable body position according to the area to be scraped. Generally, there are three kinds of body positions as follows. First, a sitting position. The sitting position is chosen when one scrapes oneself except the waist. If scraping is performed by another person, the patient, except being scraped on the chest and the abdomen, had better face the chair back while sitting with arms placed on the chair back as a supporter. Second, lie on the back. The patient had better lie on the back when being scraped on such areas as the forehead, the head, top, the face, the chest, the abdomen, and the front side of the lower limbs, as you can see in the figure. Third, lie prostrate. The patient had better lie prostrate when being scraped on such areas as the rear of the head, the shoulders, the back, the waist, and the rear side of lower limbs. The abdomen should be cushioned with a soft pillow as a supporter to prevent the waist from falling down, which can lead to the muscle tension in the waist and back and influence the scraping effect or increase pain. Fourth, choose locations on the body. It is very important to choose a correct area for the scraping. The area for the scraping should be judged and chosen according to the physique, symptoms, and purpose of treatment of each individual. There are different channels, acupoints, or body surface for scraping that are corresponding to different diseases or physical conditions. With the area for the scraping chosen, expose this area to the full and use napkins to protect clothes near the area to avoid being dirtied. Then apply scraping oil to this area to start operation. Please apply the beauty care cream if the area is on the face. As you can see in the figure, apply a scraping oil to the area for scraping. Thank you for your attention.